How to get free shipping on Zara. In order to get free shipping at Zara, the most reliable method is selecting in-store pickup, which is generally free. Otherwise, you can trigger free shipping by meeting minimum purchase thresholds as well. So what you want to do is actually the best way is to avoid shipping fee regardless of total order. The items are usually delivered to store in 2 to 3 working days, sometimes faster as well. So you could meet the minimum order threshold. In many reasons, Zara offers free standard delivery if your order exceeds a specific amount over orders of $50 in UK. And in some markets such as Lebanon or India, free shipping is strictly limited to orders that contain only full price item. And if Zara does not ship directly to your location, service like Forward Me can be used to purchase from other countries as well. And this is how you're supposed to get a free shipping on Zara. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.